Hello guys, welcome to my first tutorial on engineering graphics. In this tutorial I will be teaching you how to draw lines, that is projection of lines. So I have a setup ready for you here in the AutoCAD. Firstly, if you would like to do this problem, I would suggest you to go through the basics given in the textbook of NH Dubey. I have the 13th edition right here. Uh, Go through the basics of projection of lines so that you could understand the problem that I am doing here. Secondly, I have written the question from the textbook here, right here. This is the question, and oops, yeah. There is a line AB, 70 millimeter long. Angle made by the line with horizontal plane is 30 degree, and angle made with the VP. So that's all you can read here. Now I will explain you how I got this the whole scenario. So firstly, here as you can see there is a line with green ends here. So that is my XY line. There is no fixed length for it. You can draw how much ever what you want. So after that, it the data given to me is that the point A is 10 mm above HP. So the portion above the XY line is horizontal plane and the portion below XY line is vertical plane. So I have to draw a line with this 10 mm above HP right here. I have shown the dimensions in green color. So the point A is 10 mm above HP and point B is 20 mm below HP, below XY line, sorry, on the VP. So, oops, give me a second, guys. Yeah, sorry for the break, guys. Now let's begin it. So I was telling the point A is about 10 mm above XY line and 20 mm in front of VP, that is below XY line. So the line is 70 mm and it makes an angle 30 degree with HP. As you can see, it makes an angle 30 degree with HP and 45 degree with VP. So I have drawn the line in green color, that is a required line which the examiner will be seeing. So put a point here. But before that, if you want an idea about where the 30 degree I'll locate, so right here at the bottom there is polar tracking. Right click on it, click on settings, and here increment angle should be set to 30 degree, or else directly also you can do it by clicking on polar tracking, and here the options are 30 and 45. So for the second case I'll use the 45 angle, and for the first case I'll use the 30 degree angle. Then I'll draw the line of length 70 mm. After that, I'll take the projections of the endpoints of that line. Right here, the line in the white color is the projection, and the projection of the first point, and the longer line, that is the projection of the second point. So I'll join this both the points, and the length is coming out to be 60.62. I have not put the length exactly here. It just gave me when I took the dimension. So this was the case of the first line I drew. Whenever you have a question like a line makes certain angle with horizontal plane and certain angle with vertical plane, you should assume that the line is in the horizontal plane and making an angle 30. Forget about the vertical plane, what angle it makes with the vertical plane. Just focus on the angle made by the line with the horizontal plane. So I just did that. I just assumed that line is in horizontal plane making an angle 30, and I drew this first diagram. So for the second case we have to just assume that line is making a 45 angle of 45 degree with the vertical plane. So the same methodology I followed here. I fixed a point, a random point on this line, because they have given me the point. Another point is 20 mm below XY line, that is in front of VP. Oops, it's stuck. Yeah, the break is over, guys. Actually, there was a problem with my cursor and the mouse. So let's begin. Where I was, yeah. I just told you I use the same methodology for drawing this line in red color with an angle 45 degree. So for 45 degree, I just told you that right click on polar tracking and click on 45, so that you could get a green color dotted line that it tells you that the angle is 45 degree, and put the dimension 70 mm and it gives you a line. Then again, in the same way, take the projection of the two endpoints of that line, this and this. After that, go to the red color. Here you can change the color, here you can change the thickness of the line, and click on line and just draw this line, and the dimension comes out to be 49.71. You can also verify it by taking the cos component of this 70 mm line, that is 70 into cos 45, which comes out to be 49.71. So that the That's it for this tutorial. After this tutorial we will be seeing how to draw these two diagrams together. Along with it, then drawing the front view and top view. Basically, the line which is the for the first case, the line which is in red color, the length of that line is 60.62. That is the elevation length. That is the front view length of the front view. And the line here, which whose dimension is 49.71 mm, that is actually the plan length. That is, oops, I just reversed it. The for line with length 49.71 mm is the elevation length. That is length of the front view, and line with the length 60.62 is the plan length. That is the length of the top view. So the basic concept lies same. Like, if we have a line making an angle theta with HP and phi with VP, we have to just assume that line lies completely in HP with an angle 30 degree and draw this first case. Then for the next case, assume that line is in vertical plane making an angle 45 and draw this. After that, in the next tutorial I will show you how to overlap, like do these diagrams together and draw the top view and front view. So thank you guys, thank you for watching my tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe and have a nice day. All the best for your exams. Thank you.